Hello, I'm so happy to meet you all again on the Soul Garden channel. In today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple yet surprisingly effective method to care for Anthurium plants, helping the plant stay lush green, with glossy leaves, healthy roots, and especially maintaining consistent blooming throughout the year, even if you don't have much time to care for it every day. With just a few small tips and familiar natural ingredients from your kitchen, you can completely revive Anthurium pots that haven't bloomed in a long time, helping the plant sprout new shoots, grow new roots, and enter its next vibrant blooming cycle. This is a simple, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective care method that makes Anthuriums full of vitality, suitable even for those who are just starting to grow plants at home. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Let's get started. I will use ginger, a very easy-to-find natural ingredient that is incredibly effective in protecting plants from fungal diseases. Ginger has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms that often attack open wounds on the roots or stems of the plant. In addition, the bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogaol, also have the ability to stimulate plant tissue regeneration, supporting the plant to recover faster after being damaged. Therefore, using ginger is a natural, safe, and effective way to help Anthuriums recover and grow healthy again. After finely chopping it, I will put all the ginger into a clean glass cup. Next, I add about 500 milliliters of warm water. The water temperature is just right to activate the essential compounds in ginger without losing its valuable nutrients. Then, cover it tightly and let it steep for 3 hours. During this time, the bioactive compounds in ginger will gradually dissolve into the water, creating a solution with antibacterial, antifungal. After 3 hours of steeping, I will filter out the ginger pulp, keeping only the liquid extract that contains the valuable nutrients from ginger. To make the solution gentler and safer for the plant, I will dilute it with an additional 500 milliliters of clean water. The diluted solution becomes a mild mixture that both disinfects, protects the roots and leaves. Method 1. I will use a soft cotton pad soaked in the ginger solution to gently wipe the entire leaves of the plant. Ginger has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, so wiping with this solution not only helps remove dirt and bacteria clinging to the leaves, but also prevents mold growth, keeping the leaves clean and healthy. I will carefully wipe both sides of the leaves, paying special attention to the underside, where many stomata are concentrated, the part that helps the plant exchange gases and absorb nutrients from the environment. Cleaning the leaves not only helps the plant photosynthesize more effectively, but also maintains its natural glossy green color, enhancing the plant's growth and resilience in a completely organic way. a small action, but it brings great benefits to the health of the entire plant pot. Method 2. Next, I will dilute the ginger solution with 1 liter of clean water and water it directly at the base of the plant. This is an extremely important step, especially for Anthurium pots that haven't grown in a long time or are showing signs of stunted growth. When watering at the base, the essence from the ginger will penetrate deep into the soil, exerting its antibacterial and natural cleansing properties, creating a clean environment for the roots to breathe and grow. Not only that, valuable compounds like gingerol and ginger essential oil also stimulate new root growth, enhance nutrient absorption, restore weak root systems, and lay the foundation for the entire plant's regeneration process. Each pot only needs a moderate amount of watering to moisten the soil layer below. Avoid overwatering, which can cause waterlogging and affect the roots. For plants that are blooming, watering at the base with ginger solution is like giving them an internal boost, helping nutrients flow strongly to the flower buds, making the flowers more vibrant, longer lasting, and blooming more profusely. For ornamental plants like lilies or orchids, this is one of the natural secrets to keeping the plant fresh, vibrant, and maintaining glossy green leaves year-round. Ginger is also a silent protector for plants during the rainy season or humid weather. With its antifungal properties, it prevents root rot, reduces yellowing leaves, and enhances the plant's natural resilience. Method 3. The remaining ginger solution I will use to mist other plants in the garden. This is an excellent care solution, particularly effective for plants that are easily attacked by bacteria or fungal diseases, including those with thick leaves like Anthuriums. With its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, ginger water not only helps clean the leaf surfaces, removing dirt and pest residues, but also limits the growth of mold, leaf spots, and soft rot, common issues in humid environments. The bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, shogaol, and others, act as a biological armor, helping the plant activate its natural defense mechanisms, increasing its ability to resist pests, diseases, and adverse weather conditions. This is a care method that is simple, effective, and environmentally friendly, ideal for those who love a green lifestyle and want to keep their garden healthy and naturally thriving without relying on chemical pesticides. Not only for Anthuriums, diluted ginger water also serves as a natural shield to effectively protect sensitive flowering plants like lilies, orchids, or other ornamental plants in the garden. With just a few minutes of light misting each week, you've helped your garden become greener, disease-free, and full of vitality. In particular, if used regularly 1 to 2 times per week, ginger water also helps plants recover quickly after repotting, pruning, or being damaged, thereby maintaining glossy, healthy leaves, stabilizing growth, and supporting more consistent blooming. Results: after a period of applying the ginger water formula, you will easily notice significant changes in both anthuriums and many other ornamental plants in your garden. Anthuriums, after being cared for properly, will gradually regain their vitality. Lush, glossy green leaves will replace the yellowed, brown-spotted leaves caused by fungal diseases. The root system recovers strongly, continuously producing new, white, healthy roots, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients optimally. The flowers bloom evenly, with thick, glossy petals that maintain their vibrant beauty for a long time. Especially pots that were once stunted, almost dormant for a long time, will surprisingly spring back to life, sprouting new shoots, producing new leaves, as proof that with proper care and patient nurturing, any anthurium can revive strongly and bloom vibrantly again. For other ornamental plants like lilies and orchids, ginger water helps the leaves maintain their glossy green color. The roots develop stably and the entire plant becomes healthier over time. For blooming plants, ginger water also enhances natural resilience, nourishes longer-lasting, evenly colored, and more profuse flowers.